Hello everyone, I'm Luca, developer at Tenderly. In this video, we'll talk about Tenderly's Web3 Gateway, known as a service that provides reliable blockchain access through JSON RPC interface. It is built for scalability, high workloads, and data consistency. With Debugger, simulators, forks, and Web3 Actions, Gateway significantly extends Tenderly's capabilities as a Web3 development platform. Let's take a look at how Gateway works and what you can do with it. Go and log into your Tenderly dashboard and just click on Web3 Gateway from the left-hand menu. At the very top, we can see all supported networks alongside their RPC URLs. Using our RPC request builder, we can fetch the data, for example, from the latest block. Scroll down a bit and select the network that we want to access. In our case, let's fetch the data from the mainnet. Next, select the method that we want to call. To get information from the latest block, just call this method called getBlockByNumber. Click on the Send Request button. We'll execute this function right from the browser to see if the request is matched what we want. Now, if you want to send the same request but from your code, go to your request preview and just copy the code from there. Depending on your application and language, you can choose between many different options: JSON RPC request, ethers.js, curl, and even web3.py version. I just used ethers.js. Now let's put everything together using Hardhat, for example. Switch to your code editor. In my case, that's VS Code, and here I have the simple Hardhat starter project. Create example.js file in the scripts folder and paste the code that we just copied from the dashboard. Let's take a look if the code does what we wanted it to do. We're requiring ethers.js, then defining and calling this execute method function that will fetch the information from the block and display it using the console log. To execute the script, I'll just run hardhat run command on our example.js file. And here's the output. We'll get all the information from the latest block, including all hashes of the transactions in it. Now that we've seen how to use Tenderly Web3 Gateway to interact with the chain and get information from it, let's take a look at the user stats back in the Tenderly dashboard. In this section, you can keep track on how many requests you are sending per minute, per network, or even per specific date. And that's it for this short demo to get you started with Gateway. But if you want to learn more about all different requests that you can send with it, go to our documentation, which is linked in the description of this video. You can even reach us at support@tenderly.co, where you can ask any questions, share feedback, or just chat with us. Thanks for watching.